At this time of year, wintry weather can put paid to the occasional race meeting, but every one between now and next Wednesday has been postponed because of an outbreak of horse flu. 3 horses who ran yesterday are confirmed cases. They had been vaccinated, but like human flu, the horse variety can alter during the flu season.
The stage is set but desolate. No punters, no racing. Just a single day's shutdown costs even the smallest of meetings tens of thousands of pounds in takings alone. And means extra work sterilising every stable, a precaution only, but essential to stop this highly contagious disease sweeping through Britain's horse racing stock.
The priority is containing the spread, and in doing so, the priority has to be horse movement, people movement and biosecurity measures. So our priority today is putting in place measures to address those key areas that we need to focus on.
The outbreak started at Donald McCain's yard. He said today he'd never race a horse he knew to be infected. None have, but some in his stable who'd been in contact with the 3 that were infected did run at Ayr and here at Ludlow yesterday.
The decision to abandon racing completely is not one taken lightly. The British Horse Racing Authority is well aware of the wider impact beyond the racecourses affected. What they're desperate to avoid is a prolonged disruption and everything that comes with that.
In North Yorkshire, Mark Johnston trains 250 horses. Every one he suspects could have been exposed to infection must now be tested. He's hoping, as is the rest of the industry, that this strain of the disease does not prove to be resistant to the inoculation all British horses are required to have.
We've just been notified this morning that having had a runner at Wolverhampton where there was a horse from yard where there's been an outbreak, as a result we have to swab all horses from the yard that runner came from, and then we've got to get those swabs down to Newmarket to the Animal Health Trust, where, as I understand it, there'll be a huge backlog of swabs to be tested.
Leads by a couple of lengths, followed to the turn by Trappist Monk.
They raced in Ireland today, though no British horses were allowed to enter, and that's the way it will be until next Wednesday at best. The UK now faces a total of 17 cancelled meetings and a very nervous racing industry, with the multi-million-pound showpiece, the Cheltenham Festival, just a month away. Steve Scott, News at 10.